Welcome to the Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. Well, we saw some really big pops here today in stocks like Dell and AMD. Overall, the market was on the highs, pushing up above the 75, 75.16 on the S&P. Nasdaq hit the 29,740, and the market got absolutely cabooshed. People are still worried about the negotiations going on with the war. Market, as you know, we got this beautiful pullback on the daily chart. Then we got a push back up. I'm looking for an overbought condition. Then we get a really kind of a pretty good drop down. Could be pretty sizable, few thousand points on the NASDAQ before it really sets up on the weekly charts by some time. Could be mid-July, early August, something to that nature. But overall, there were really great patterns. Say Palantir, great pattern with the buy reversal. Tesla was an animal today. Great patterns in Tesla. Micron, Micron's a beast. Hit a high of 781 and then dropped 30 off the highs. The patterns today really were great. Also on the GLDs, the GLDs really great patterns. But most of the divergences came from the 30 and 60-minute time frames when they pushed up to new highs here. And I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about on the openings here. But before let's look at AMD here. AMD, we had this big monster gap up here. Look at that, 81.41. It pulled in nicely. Beautiful bull flag on the 5-minute time frames right here. You can see the beautiful bull flag right here. Here's one, and then here's the double blue. But the double blue, when the algo reverses the buy with the MACD above the pivot, you could take the short, 73. It drops down to 68, pushes back up, and then you got the pullback here on the 15-minute time frame, right around 12:45, 466, and pushed up to 74. And then once these MACDs turn negative on the 15, I love when the MACDs turn negative on the 15 because then you want to short the bounce on the 15-minute time frame into those negative MACDs. So you caught really, at the end of the day here, you caught, actually on the 15-minute time frame, you caught really one long here, another really great long here, a short here on the 15, and then probably another long because the 30-minute time frames are going to set up here most likely on this bull flag come Monday. So if we do get a drop on Monday, AMD should set up nicely. But now the MACDs are negative here, so if we do get a push up here, an overbought condition, it should run into a roadblock here as well. But again, 2 or 3 great longs and 1 great short off the 15-minute time frame, an absolute Picasso on AMD. Before I get to the indexes, look at the GLDs here, reversing to sell on the 30-minute time frame, correlating, with its 15. Beautiful bear flag right here at 130. Another bear flag here on the 15-minute time frame and 30-minute time frame. Really great shorts here. Gold had nowhere to go but down, because if you look at the continuous contracts on gold, the gold futures, if you look here, were negative on the 60-minute time frame and on the 30-minute time frame. The 60s were negative. I said monster bear flag on the 60s. You can see the high here. We were shorting this around 27.5, 28 on gold. And you can see here the move up here. Here's one. You can see 26, got cabooshed, down 14. Another push up to 27, another one up to 29, and never looked back. Really great short patterns on, really great short patterns on gold. Coinbase, look at this pattern here. Coinbase, you can see Coinbase reversing to sell. Now you're in a negative trend come Monday. Bitcoin got absolutely cabooshed here, and I'll show you a really great pattern on Bitcoin. Coinbase, you can see here the 30-minute reversing to sell. The 30-minute reversing to sell, which put it into a sell disconnect, and I'll show you over the, let me put this up to the 30-minute right here, and then the 15-minute time frame right here, and then you can see the ADXs are rising this whole time. And really, to tell you the truth, you really only got one nice, you got this big pencil down, you got this push up into the negative MACD, 189.86, and you can see the negative MACD, the ADXs are rising. When that happens like that, you're really resorting to the 5-minute time frame. You can see how these 5-minute time frames really look at this beautiful bear flag right here, 189.75, another bounce here. So, and you can see how the ADXs are rising on the 30-minute time frame. The ADXs are rising north on the 60-minute time frame as well. So in that type of situation, even though you have a sell disconnect, you have the big selling pressure, the ADX is rising, and eventually the 60-minute time frame reversed to sell. You look for shorts on the 5-minute, and now on Tuesday, we'll be looking for a short on the 15, which brings me up to Bitcoin. Bitcoin got absolutely caboosed today, down 2.2%, down 1,700 points. Look at this beautiful. Look at this pencil down here. First of all, you got this, that's the 5-minute time frame, but let's go to the 30. The 30-minute time frame in a negative trend, rising ADX here on the 60, negative MACD below the pivot, negative MACD below the pivot on the 30. ADXs are rising, so what do you look to do? You short the bounces here on the 5 and 15-minute time frame, and you really got a great pattern here. Roughly, let me see what time this was. This was roughly, yes, around 1 o'clock. We got the short here. So if you bring up the 15-minute time frame, you can see here the 15, very negative here, overbought into the negative MACD on the overbought on the 15. You're in a negative trend, and you got the ADX is rising on the 30 and the 60. This is an absolute Picasso. 76,992, rising ADX. You count the pattern, the bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bars. You can see here the low, 75.57. 76 that dropped about almost 1,300 points. This is an absolute Picasso. When you see the ADX is rising on the 30 and the 60-minute time frame, you let them. You want to short the world, especially when they get the overbought condition on the 15 and the 30-minute time frame. It's an absolute Picasso. Nvidia today acted very weak. If you look at Nvidia today, when it pushed up here to 221, the MACDs could not confirm on the 30, and the MACDs could not confirm on the 60-minute time frame right here. Okay, I'm sorry, right here. And then what do you look to do? Well, you had nothing but shorts. The ADXs were rising on the 60. Big selling pressure, and then we go and look at the 15-minute time frame where you got one great short here at 130, always between 115 and 145 you'll get those short patterns off the 15, and there you have it. What a great pattern, unbelievable. Look at that, 218 and change, got down to, look at that, $3.45, absolutely cabooshed. One last one today, we're going to look at actually AM on Dell. So Dell, you can see the big buying pressure, the rising ADX here, and then if you look at the 15-minute time frame, you got this really beautiful bull flag happen right here around 11:30, got down below 289. Positive MACD, rising ADX, monster buying pressure. There's one. Here's another pullback. Now, here's the problem. The MACDs turn negative here. So when Dell pushed up above 298, it got kabooshed. Boom. Here, about $3.50. Okay, but now we'll wait to see what happens on Monday, to see on Tuesday if the 30-minute time frames can give it one more push up, or we're going to get a more of a pullback. So one long, two long, one short. So you got three great patterns off the 15-minute time frame on Dell. All right. Okay. All right. When I get back, I'll tell you what I expect for Tuesday. So for Tuesday right now, it looks like the 30 and 60-minute time frames look like they're getting oversold here, and I think that's going to give the market some underlying support and could get one more push up here. The problem that we're going to have here, okay, is we don't know what's going to happen over the weekend. It's been reported that the president is very frustrated with the talks. It's going on too long. He wants to end this already, get back to business. And one of his cabinet members was either booted out or resigned, who knows. But in the end, it's about one thing: going home with no positions. There's enough opportunities during the day to create a lot of key patterns, whether they're pattern trading or scalp trading. A lot of opportunities throughout the day. So, but I'm thinking if nothing happens, we go right back up. You got the oversold conditions on the 30, the oversold conditions here, and I'll show you this on the 60s. But again, anything can happen. He decides to go in, they could be down 200 handles, right? On the S&P, they could be down. Nasdaq could be down 1,000. So you got this really big bull flag here. You do have gaps below the market, but you got this really big bull flag here. You can see how this bull flag really pushed up, and then look at this nice bull flag here on the on this bull flag here on the 30-minute time frame. So we'll see. Now the thing is that you do have a negative MACD. So even if we do get a push up here on the 30 and the 60-minute time frames, I'm pretty much certain that this could be it. And then I'm looking for the pullback, because if you look here, you can see how the daily, as I called this beautiful long pattern on the bull flag here. Remember, the negative MACD, 1 or 2 more days up, you're going to get overbought into that negative MACD. You have a beautiful bear flag setting up. So I think we're going to get one more push up, 1 or 2 days more up, and then a caboose, I think, is around the corner, if not sooner than later. Okay? All right. When I get back, I want to talk to you about the importance of focus. I've had a number of people come and spend time with me. And again, if anybody would like to text me and is interested in doing that, or needs help with anything, or if you want a 5-day free trial, you could text me at my cell phone number, 914-500-7484. Two gentlemen I've gotten to meet for the first time last week, Raphael, this week, Dougie, really have shown me the importance that I emphasize over and over again. And boy, did they absolutely had phenomenal weeks with me last week and this week. And like I said, I have people from all around coming to me and wanting to spend time with me. And it gives me a lot of great joy at this stage of my life to be able to contribute and help back. But both of them said when they were here, what they learned the most was the ability to focus at a high intensity level. Now, again, I don't ask you to learn so many different things where your head's clouded, 350 different formulas or this or that. Everything I do is based upon visualization and repetition. Focus is wealth, okay? And if you can really apply the focus keep that in your mindset and zero in, you got to be trained like an athlete. This is the hardest game there is, truthfully. And if you can focus, and that's why I have all my screens here. I'm focused beyond to no avail. But again, it's all about what? Being able to trade the market, being focused, doing well, and being able to come back the next day. All right? Focus is important, everybody. So please, 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 hard work. Focus on studying the courses, studying the videos, learning, focusing on listening to me during the day, teaching you the patterns and everything. Very important. Thank you for joining me today on The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. Please hit the subscribe button. Please leave a comment. If you'd like to join my community of traders from all around the world, please go to my website, sktrading.live. I will be streaming probably Tuesday night with my Funded Futures, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, since Monday's Memorial Day. So be there at My Funded Futures YouTube or My Funded Futures TV from Tuesday to Thursday. Also, if you like a 5-day free trial, please text me your full name and email to my cell phone number at 914-500-7484. Have a safe weekend. Happy Memorial Day weekend to all of you. Remember, be safe. Think before you do. Think before you act. All right. And most of all, have a great, great weekend. Enjoy your family. Enjoy every second the good Lord gives us. God bless you. God bless our troops, everybody, and God bless the United States of America. Be safe and enjoy.